Welcome back to the next tutorial. Today I'll show how you can prepare the normalized difference build-up index. Uh, this index is the remote sensing technique used to automatically map about the urban build-up areas by highlighting the build-up features. Usually it ranges from -1 to +1, where +1 refers to the high build-up areas and it utilizes the shortwave infrared and the low reflectance in the near infrared. So the formula for the NDBI uh, is shortwave infrared minus near infrared by shortwave infrared plus near infrared that belongs to the band 6 and band 5 for the Landsat 8 image, while for the Landsat 7 it refers to the band 5 and band 4. So why this index is necessary for your research or any other project activities? So this can help to detect the build-up areas as well as the urban expansion monitoring, and it helps to track the urban growth as well as the encroachment on agricultural land. And there is some limitations that this index may struggle to distinguish the build-up areas from the bare soil or the dry land, and combining these index with other index like normalized difference vegetation index can enhance the these distinctions between the urban and the natural surface as well. So let's move toward the ArcGIS map. So here you can add the data. So for the Landsat 8 image we have taken the band 5 and band 6. So here band 5 and band 6. So this one is the band 5. You can rename it the band 5, and this the background. Go to the Windows image analysis and select both band here, and here you see check background. So the background will not shown here. And for the next step, go to the Arc toolbox, Spatial Analysis tools. Here you will see the map algebra. Click on the raster calculator. So now here in the condition, click on the float band. Here you will see band 6 minus band 5. So band 6 divided by, okay, and click on the float band 6 plus band 5. Here you can rename this file, but I'm not doing this. Okay, and click on the OK. So now here this is here. go to the properties, and then here high refers to the high build-up areas, but to classify it more in the distinctive way, you can classify it in the 4 or the 3, and let's change it in the different here. Okay, now you can apply this here. Here you can zoom it out. So these red spaces here you can see is the high build-up areas. You can change to the different color as well here. So in this way you can prepare your build-up areas. You can clip your study areas as well. So thank you for watching.